Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. I hope everybody's doing wonderful. Today is the 18th of December, and on the 18th of each month, we do a jewelry making fun collab. It is sponsored by Deb Hook and of Dahlia Designs, and I hope you will visit her channel and look at all of her beautiful creations and all of the other creators too in the jewelry making fun collaboration. And so what I've got this month, I'm about to show everyone. Our colors were turquoise, and then there was an option to use, let's see, kits, and I think maybe leftover things, like for maybe, I guess, leftovers from kits, and also to use, or to have a matching set. So I'll show you what I've got so far, or what I've got for this month, in the form of like the turquoise color. I've got earrings with the shell on the bottom. I might have shown these before, I'm not sure, but they are some of my favorites. I did a tutorial on my channel, I believe, with these, and I think they're, I don't know, it did pretty well, so I thought I would show these. These are howlite beads. They kind of look like turquoise, and they definitely have that color. And so I put some of those on a gold toned head pin, and then I have a gold jump ring here with a shell at the bottom, a cowrie shell, and then a gold toned ear wire. And then I've got this pair of earrings. So those turned out okay. I have that in the color of turquoise. And these are, I really like these. These are African turquoise. And to me, they look a little bit more on the green side. So maybe that's like a difference in the African turquoise. So I've got stainless steel hoops. And I used, let's see, some silver accents, a silver bead, and then a silver disc bead on each side. And then I have my my chip beads in African turquoise. So these are, I think, 40 millimeter hoops, not too large and not too tiny either. So this is a nice size hoop, and looks like I'm gonna have to secure these. They want to keep moving around here. Let's see if I can fix them back. Because this turned out to be a pretty hoop, I thought. This is a little more time consuming than it looks. The shape of, you have to bend the part of the hoop that goes in through your ear. So you have to bend that, and then you have to find chips, you know, in the right size to fit that. And so, yeah, these turned out nice, but they also are pretty time consuming. I don't think I realized that when I started, but excuse me, but it worked out. There we go. So these are hoop earrings, and I think next time I make something like this, I probably should start with hoops that are flat at the tip. And I do have some of those too. Not the bigger ones, but I have some that are much flatter there. So that would be easier to put on the tip there. So those are kind of larger hoops. And then I have some smaller ones too. This is howlite again. And this is like an inch. They're 25 millimeters or an inch. So a nice little small hoop. And I have got another pair of hoops. They look like this. These are the teeny tiny fine seed beads. And I just have different shades of blue there, and of course turquoise is one of them. These remind me of the ocean, I guess, because of all of the different shades of blue. So I have that pair, and I guess those are 30. millimeters. They're like in the middle there. And the last thing I did is a set. I did make a set. I've got a bracelet, which I don't normally do a lot. I've been really having fun with the stretchy bracelets lately. I've been messing around with keychains, and so I like this one. This is wood. All of these are wood beads. This is like a focal bead here, the brown one. And then I've got some other wood beads at the bottom there. So there's a bracelet, and I made a matching earring set to go with the bracelet. So I've got the same beads, the turquoise colored wood bead, and the focal bead there in that brown wood. And I made a pair of earrings to go with the bracelet. And so that's what I have to share. And I do love turquoise. My favorite color is blue, and that definitely is a shade of blue, isn't it? I love it, that blue-green color. Green is my second favorite color, so you've got a mixture there of both of my favorite colors in turquoise. Oh, I just found another one. They're similar to the little ocean theme earrings. The little tiny Mayuki seed beads is what I used on these. And they're like, I don't know, 15 millimeters, just for people that like the really small hoops. And so that's the last one I had to show. I forgot about that one. So I have a variety of hoops like I always do. And then I'm glad I added something different. I have my my dangle earrings with the cowrie shells. And then I've got my set. And so I did sign up to be a member of the collab in 2023. So I'm looking forward to seeing everyone and all of their creations, and looking forward to a wonderful new year. Thank you for watching. Please go watch the other wonderful creators. Bye-bye.